Locking your Visa card can help protect your account from unauthorized transactions. Follow these steps to securely lock your card. Step 1. Access your banking app. Open your banking app on your smartphone or visit the bank's website on your computer. Log in using your credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Card Management. Once logged in, look for the section labeled Card Management or Manage Cards. This is typically found in the Account Settings or Services menu. Step 3. Select your Visa card. In the Card Management section, locate the Visa card you wish to lock. Click on it to view more options related to that specific card. Step 4. Lock the card. Find the option that says Lock Card or Temporarily Lock Card. Click on this option and confirm your choice when prompted to ensure the card is locked. Step 5. Verify the lock. After locking the card, you should receive a confirmation message. Check your account to ensure the card's status has changed to locked or inactive. By following these steps, you can easily lock your Visa card to enhance your security. If you need to unlock it later, simply follow the same steps and select the Unlock Card option.